male and 152 female. Pero gimbago naman yan na not requirements at that height is ngayon is 1.57 male, 1.52 female under the Republic Act 11549 Section 2. Then must with not more or less than 5 kg from the standard weight BMI. Appointment under Weber factor is Napol Weber Serialis 2008 2007-009. Number 1 is age. Automatically grant number 1 is age at least 21 to 20 over that to 35 years of age. Number 2 is height. Automatically granted to applicant belong to culture communities. Number 3 is with a reasonable time not exceeding 6 months to comply. Temporary appointment a factor to be considered and granted of the waiver. Number 1, asa na dapat may data special skills katulad ng taekwondo or nakakonkite marksmanship. Number 2 is dapat may natin special talent kagaya dance or sing. Number 3 is dapat nakapag-training kita o forensic science, nakapag-aram kita. Sila po.